When a disaster strikes like a sudden power outage, isn't it better to be prepared? That's why you should stick around to see all the inventions that'll help you in those moments. It's time for a home security gadget that will leave you speechless, combining the versatility of a battery-powered Wi-Fi access device with the reliability and global coverage of an Iridium satellite phone. The Iridium Go exec provides a comprehensive solution for staying connected anywhere in the world. This device provides wireless internet connectivity for smartphones and laptops, as well as simultaneous access to up to 2 high-quality voice lines. Compact and lightweight, the Iridium Go exec is designed to meet both your personal and professional connectivity needs, wherever and whenever you need it. Whether on humanitarian missions, adventures in remote areas, or recreational boating, this device keeps you connected through multiple applications such as chat, email, social networking, and more. Its ability to provide reliable and accessible connectivity in any environment makes it an invaluable tool for staying connected and communicating in even the most challenging conditions. Did you find Iridium Go exec amazing even in total darkness? Wait until you see what's next. Get ready for another technological breakthrough. Home security inventions? Take a look at this one. In the era of sustainability and energy efficiency, hybrid generators represent a significant advancement in the industry. Not only are these systems changing the way power is generated, they're also setting the standard for performance and environmental responsibility. By drastically reducing fuel consumption and emissions, as well as minimizing noise and simplifying maintenance, hybrid generators offer a comprehensive solution to today's power needs. In addition, their ability to provide clean and reliable power at all times ensures continuous supply, which is critical in a wide range of commercial and industrial applications. In summary, the use of hybrid generators not only increases efficiency and profitability, but also makes a significant contribution to protecting the environment and reducing the carbon footprint. If you thought that was incredible, hold on to your seat, because what's coming next will take the concept of home security to a whole new level and make you almost forget about Victron Energy. The cooler system is an innovative solution for storing vaccines, medicines, and food in areas where electricity is unreliable or costly. By using hot water generated by solar energy, this system eliminates the need for short-lived batteries, complex electronic components, or moving parts, making it an economical, durable, and sustainable option. One of the outstanding features of the cooler system is its ability to run refrigerators independently of electricity, using only hot water from solar heat. This not only significantly reduces the carbon footprint, but also ensures a constant and safe supply of vital medicines and vaccines. Imagine doctors and healthcare workers in remote areas or regions with limited electrical infrastructure having access to refrigerators that don't rely on the traditional power grid. With Cooler, these refrigerators can operate reliably and in an environmentally friendly manner, providing a vital solution for preserving life-saving medicines and vaccines. Were you surprised by the Cooler system? Well, wait until you see what's next. It'll leave you speechless. The Fuel Cube stands out among futuristic home security gadgets as one of the most efficient and versatile stationary fuel tanks on the market. Not only is it a compact and cost-effective solution, but it has been extensively field-tested to ensure reliable supply and efficient refueling in a variety of environments, from construction sites to distribution centers. By choosing the Fuel Cube, you eliminate the need to wait for fuel deliveries, which means no downtime or disruption to your operations. This tank gives you the peace of mind that fuel is always available when you need it, resulting in increased productivity and efficiency in your daily operations. Plus, its smart design allows you to connect directly to your equipment and dispense fuel simultaneously, eliminating the need for additional equipment and simplifying the fueling process. With features like 4-way forklift pockets, the Fuel Cube is exceptionally easy to move when empty, giving you unparalleled flexibility to adapt to the changing needs of your job site. If you were impressed with the Fuel Cube, just wait, because the next item on our list will amaze you just as much, if not more. Nowlight provides an innovative solution to bring clean, affordable energy to communities without access to electricity. Using cutting-edge technology and efficient biomechanics, Nowlight harnesses human energy to generate sustainable electricity. Its unique design ensures maximum power with minimal effort. Just 1 minute of pulling the cord can generate up to 2 hours of light. while a full charge can provide over 50 hours of lighting or charge a smartphone. In addition to its effective lighting system, Now Light features a 5-volt USB output that can power a variety of devices, from cell phones to radios and flashlights. This versatility makes Now Light an indispensable tool in any environment without access to the power grid. For additional and sustainable charging, Now Light also offers the option to use an optional solar panel on sunny days, as well as additional satellite lights to efficiently distribute light in any space. But if you thought Now Light was impressive, it's because you haven't seen what's coming next. It'll make you rethink what you thought was possible in terms of technological innovation. The 14-gallon Duramax fuel tank is a reliable and practical innovation for fueling a wide range of equipment and vehicles, from garden tools to off-road vehicles and boats. Whether on the farm, in the field, or on the lake, this canister provides a safe and convenient way to keep your equipment running. Featuring a patented pump handle, the Duramax tank simplifies the filling process, providing precise control and eliminating unnecessary spills. Equipped with sturdy 6-inch wheels, this container is easy to transport over uneven terrain, making it ideal for use in commercial and industrial environments. In addition, its screw-on hanger provides secure storage for the hose, keeping it organized and ready for use when needed. With an impressive flow rate of 2 gallons per minute in siphon mode, the Duramax tank ensures quick and efficient filling in any situation. Whether you're filling the tank of your lawnmower or fueling your fleet of vehicles, this tank offers the versatility and performance you need to keep moving. But we want to exceed your expectations, so stay tuned for what's next. Kite power systems currently in development provide an ideal alternative to replace diesel generators in remote locations, reducing costs and dependence on polluting and expensive diesel fuel. Kite Power's goal is to significantly change the way the world's energy needs are met by facilitating the implementation of distributed wind power systems. The versatility of a kite power system can open new geographic markets for wind power generation and contribute significantly to the global transition to renewable energy sources. By integrating kite power with batteries, it's possible to completely shut down diesel generators, reducing diesel consumption and increasing clean energy production. More and more landowners are harnessing the wind resources available in their area to generate electricity and increase their income. The renewable energy generated by kite power can be used on local farms to replace other fuels or marketed as a cash crop. This provides a unique opportunity for farmers to benefit from the growth of the wind industry. In addition, while a 530 kilowatt power photovoltaic solar panel installation typically occupies over an acre of land, a kite power system would occupy a fraction of that area, allowing farmers to further optimize land use. With kite power, farmers can generate their own clean energy, avoid visual and acoustic pollution, and reduce their dependence on the conventional power grid. Has kite power made you rethink your ideas about renewable energy? Well, stay tuned, because what's next is going to blow your mind. The Cat S75 gives you truly global international coverage, an incredible invention that is backed by a constellation of geostationary satellites thanks to Bullet's Satellite Connect technology. These satellites, which synchronize with the Earth's rotation, ensure constant and reliable coverage at all times. With easier location and faster messaging, this phone gives you a superior experience. Don't settle for less. Choose a phone that always delivers. The Cat 75 is more than rugged. It's built to withstand the most extreme conditions. Resistant to sand, dust, and moisture, it exceeds even military standards for durability. Plus, its durability means you won't have to replace it as often, reducing waste and environmental impact. As if that weren't enough, the packaging is completely plastic-free and fully recyclable. With the satellite capabilities of the Cat S75, you'll have access to a new dimension of always-on connectivity. From remote locations to weak signal areas, this phone keeps you connected in any situation. More than just an emergency phone, the Cat S75 offers you so much more. If that's not enough, we've got more videos for you. But first, like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.